Hexagonal gaming panel. What is it, you ask? Glad you asked that question. Here we have connecting to power. There are three methods of connection: your smartphone, the remote control, or the cable. Well, this will supply 5 volts above 2 amps to run the unit, and you have a number of hexagon boards. They are self-adhesive. You can put on the wall, floor, ceiling, window, wherever your heart imagines. On each of the sides, they are going to have a USB port. So let's give you a nice close-up look and show you what this has. When you open up the box, look at that, your new friend. So they give you a nice small carrying bag. Is it for the unit or units? I don't think so. The instruction manual, very easy to follow, simple to set up, and the application, the QR symbol. You get enough self-adhesive sticks, 12 of them, a spare or two. In the package, packed nicely, are your hexagon shapes. They pull apart, and they got 2 USB ports that fit on every single corner. This kit and each kit will contain 8 hexagons. Supplied cable of your IR, mic, mode, on and off, and music control switches. A remote control excluding the AAA batteries. Set up your application for your phone. If you want to go portable, you can. Any power source, you're going to take your extension cable and you're going to plug it into the unit and you're going to hit the on button. Remember, your power source must be 2.0 amps or higher. Here is the on button. Long press it, the lights come on, and they start to dance. In the mode, what you're going to do, you're going to hit the M as many times as you like. You have your lights. They're doing a simple fade in, fade out, different colors. There are many different types of modes. As I cycle through them all, now, if you want to dance to the music, it will dance to the music until your voice. It has a microphone and an IR sensor. Shut it off, long press. You're going to need the remote control in order to use the light with your Bluetooth smartphone. By following the information provided, this should be hooked up. There should be an on and off switch on here. There's your on and off switch, and there's your light adjustment in the colors. We're on purple, red, teal, and so forth. We could lower the brightness down and raise the brightness up, something that the handheld remote did not show. If we move the screen to the other side, we could hit the shake, auto connect, modify pin sequence, pixels, background style, feedback, and more. We can schedule, repeat, and so forth. I'm not going to go over every single detail. You have the magic forward, back, color energy, color jump, RGB jump, YCP, color strobe. As you can see, it's changing, and all these different settings. Any information you want can be found online. 47 different settings. You want to add more or make your own design. Simply plug in one after the other after the other. It will not go in backwards. It will only go in one particular way. They don't give you a connection pin to lock it in place, but you can stick it to a wall. And then stick it to the wall. The remote control could turn off and on your light. You have automatic mode. We have an S mode. We have a brightness level. I'm keeping them down low so you can see. Mode up. So we keep pressing it. We have different designs. To the music. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And we have a center button that will do a different little flash and all. And music number 3, do a little differently. Oh man, this is cool. We have R, G, and B. And you control it any way you want. All these different colors to choose from. Many different colors. This is great for a small room, a studio, a kid's room to decorate. And I hope this product may be right for what you're looking for, adding additional things on. I hope you enjoy your hexagonal gaming control.